It's time to wake up. Let's start our meditation in the upright sitting position. Close your eyes for the first part of this meditation as I give you simple instructions on breathing and moving the body. First, we will start by breathing and lifting the head up. And when you exhale, you will lower your head back down. Imagine you are drawing a line up and down with your chin. As you breathe in, raise your head up, keeping your eyes closed. Breathing out, lowering the head. Breathing in and breathing out as you simply nod your head up and down, not stretching too far. This is waking up your neck muscles. And stop. Let your head rest in a neutral position and the breath to flow naturally without any effort from you. Notice any changes in the feeling around your neck. Now we will do the same thing with your arms. When you breathe in, you will raise your arms high above your head. And when you breathe out, lower your arms. Breathing and moving the arms at your own pace. This action is waking up the muscles in your arms. A few more times now. And on your next breath out, let your arms rest in your lap. Notice the feeling you have in your arms right now. Great. You are becoming more and more awake with each of these exercises. Now we will continue with a new exercise. Open your eyes. Notice the light around you. Now, can you find anywhere in your surroundings the color red? Looking at every object that is a shade of red. Now, find the things around you that are black. Notice anything that is the color black. And now the color yellow. Can you find anything around you that is yellow? This visual meditation is getting your sight ready for the day. Can you spot anything blue? Different shades of blue. Very good. Keeping your eyes open, let's do another breathing exercise. This time, you are going to simply lean forward as you breathe out, and then raise your body back up straight when you breathe in. Go ahead. Exhale, folding your body forward. And inhale, bring your body back up, having nice posture. breathing in a slow and even rhythm, lifting your body up and then letting it fall down. One more time, exhaling and folding forward, breathing in and raising up, and then stay up. This was a stretch for your torso. Notice how your entire torso feels after this morning stretch. Well done. For the next technique, let's stand up and wake up our legs. In the standing position now, shift your weight over to your right foot, breathing out, and over to the left foot, breathing in. Continue this pattern. It is very simple. Just shift your weight slightly to the right foot as you breathe out, and to the left foot as you breathe in. Continue this movement and breathing in a slow and smooth rhythm. You are in the standing position now, and we will continue with another movement to wake up your body. It is a gentle twist. Simply turn your shoulders to the left, breathing out, and then turn your shoulders to the right, breathing in. Easily twisting the upper body over the lower body. Only twisting as far as feels comfortable for you. No need to strain. We are just waking up your body. Very good. Come back to center. Feel the effects of this gentle motion. Your muscles are warmed up and ready for the day ahead. Let's finish out our meditation with one last technique. Simply breathing with a big smile on your face. Go ahead, smile. Notice how this makes you feel good. And breathe in and out. Continue to hold that smile. Say to yourself, I am ready for my day. I am ready for my day. Very good. Let your face relax and notice how this smile felt upon your muscles. You feel energized and ready for a powerful day ahead. You may finish this meditation whenever you're ready.